So here in Florida, there's so many bad contractors, unfortunately. There's plenty of good ones too, good ones who want to do the job the right way and really value their reputation and want to do a good job for people. The trick is, how do you find those people and stay away from the contractors who are not so good? It all depends. To do that, it depends on the due diligence that you do before you hire a contractor in the first place. Don't just hire the guy who happens to show up or gives you the lowest bid. Or I mean, finding the right contractor can be a process. Can take a long time, and you really need to put the effort in to do your background search. Look up, there's plenty of information out there to look up online if you know where to look, relating to licensure. Make sure they're licensed, what kind of insurance they have, including workers' comp insurance. You need to make sure they have that. You can find license complaints, you could find lawsuits they're involved in. Every contractor, every construction company has somebody behind it with a license. You want to know who that is. You want to know if they've had any license complaints or lawsuits. Take a look at online reviews. If online reviews are trending downward recently, they were a 5-star company and now you're seeing a lot of 1 and 2 star companies. 1 and 2 star reviews, that could really be a sign that this contractor is starting to lose financial control of their business, and you don't want to be involved with a contractor where that's happening. So there's a lot of information out there. You just need to know where to look. And good construction attorneys have the ability to find that information for you pretty quickly and relatively inexpensively.